see straight through my life. Oh, there's something in my chest that I can't hide. When feelings get involved, I'm terrified. 'Cause I've been here before and said goodbye. Oh, are you the one when I try to look, I wish I'd find? Oh, how can I love when I've been hurt 100 times? For you I'd give it one more try.
Thanks for checking out the intro, guys. I hope you all liked the intro part of this Swift's Dzire Centy toys. Yes, the pullback action car. And don't worry, the unboxing and the info part will be coming up next week. So don't forget to stay tuned to my channel. Every weekend, every Saturday, guys, it'll be coming up then. And I'll be unboxing Centy toys, Hot Wheels, and Kin Smart cars. You name it, I'll be getting them all. To check out my collection, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Yes, it's right here, so check them out. And don't worry, the links for this car, the purchase links, will be in the description below, so you can go buy it there. Also, stay tuned to my channel, and if you guys are new, do hit that subscribe button right away for more of such content. I'll see you all next week. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.